What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So we are out here in another province today. We are just east of Ontario and we're in the province of Quebec, the French-speaking province here in Canada. And we are just going to check out the Nordique Spa, which is a popular spa here in North America. It's actually the largest spa in North America, and I'm not sure if they'll let me film inside there, but I'll bring you guys with us and show you as much as I can. Nordique is actually in the city of Chelsea, which is close to Gatineau here in the province of Quebec. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Let's take you all around Gatineau, Quebec, show you what's up. This is what it looks like here in Gatineau. We're in the suburbs right now. Check it out. Looks like here's some new developments, some condo townhouses here in Gatineau. Looks pretty cool. You can see some condos over there as well. Alright folks, we're still here in Gatineau, Quebec, and we are actually gonna check out Montreal tomorrow. We're gonna do a day trip to Montreal. That should be pretty interesting. We're gonna bring you with us to Montreal, check out some of the spots they have to offer there. We'll see what's up. Alright peeps, so we're heading over to Ottawa right now. Gatineau, Quebec is just across the bridge from Ottawa, Ontario, and Ottawa, Ontario is the capital of Canada. I'm heading down to the Rideau Center in Ottawa. Let's see what's up. There it is peeps, the city of Ottawa. Alright, let's check it out, see what's up. Alright folks, that's pretty much it for this video. We do appreciate you watching as usual. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video to show your support. See you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace out.